How to use eBay's scheduled listings and bulk editor. To use eBay's scheduled listings, log into your eBay account and go to My eBay, then select Selling. From there, open the listing section. You can either create a new listing or edit an existing one. Scroll down until you find the scheduling option located just above the shipping section. Turn on the toggle to enable scheduling. Now, set your preferred date and time for the listing to go live. Choose a time when your buyers are most active to increase visibility. Next, let's look at the bulk editor. Go to My eBay greater than selling, then click on the listings tab and select active. Check the boxes beside the listings you want to edit, then click edit to open the bulk editor. The bulk editor allows you to update prices, quantities, titles, categories, shipping details, and even schedule multiple listings at once. It's a great way to save time and keep your store updated efficiently. By using both scheduled listings and the bulk editor, you can manage your eBay store more effectively, post items at optimal times, and maintain better control over your listings.